Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore fascinating English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is complement. Now, complement as a verb, at a C1 level, means to complete or enhance something, to make it perfect or better. Think of it as adding something that's missing or that elevates what's already there. It implies a sense of fitting together harmoniously, improving the whole. So let's dive deeper into understanding how to use complement effectively. The core definition of complement is to enhance or complete something else. It's about two things working together to create a better outcome than either could achieve alone. For instance, the scarf complements her dress perfectly, meaning the scarf adds to the overall beauty and style of the dress. Another example is his experience complements her skills, making them an ideal team, which implies that their combined talents are greater than the sum of their individual abilities. Let's look at some synonyms for complement, words that share a similar meaning. One such word is supplement. Supplement means to add something to complete or enhance something else. The article supplements the information provided in the brochure, indicating that the article provides additional details. Another synonym is enhance. To enhance means to intensify, increase, or further improve the quality, value, or extent of something. The new lighting will enhance the artwork in the gallery, signifying that the lighting will make the artwork look even better. Another strong synonym is augment. Augment means to make something greater by adding to it, increase. The company sought to augment its profits by developing new product lines. Let's also consider the word perfect. While not a direct synonym, it captures the idea of completion that complement embodies. The dessert perfects the meal, suggesting it's the final touch that makes the dining experience complete. Now, let's examine some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of complement. An important antonym is detract. To detract means to diminish the value or importance of something. The negative comments detracted from the overall positive feedback, suggesting the comments lessen the positive impact. Another antonym is clash. To clash means to be incompatible or inharmonious. The colors clash horribly, creating a jarring effect, indicating the colors don't work well together. We can also consider the word contradict. To contradict means to assert the opposite of what someone else has said or done. His actions contradict his words, making him seem untrustworthy. Another antonym could be undermine. To undermine means to lessen the effectiveness, power, or ability of, especially gradually or insidiously. His constant criticism undermined her confidence. How can you use complement in everyday life? Well, think about describing how food flavors work together. The mint complements the chocolate in this dessert. Or when discussing skills or qualities, her patience complements his enthusiasm, making them a good match. In fashion, you might say, that belt complements your outfit so well. Or in teamwork, our strengths complement each other, allowing us to tackle any challenge. Here are some more usage examples. The wine complements the cheese board perfectly. A good education will complement your natural talents. The new software complements our existing systems. Her quiet demeanor complements his outgoing personality. The beautiful scenery complemented the relaxing atmosphere of the resort. These two courses perfectly complement each other. The extra security complements the new alarm system. The two singers' voices complement each other harmoniously. The company's mission is to complement the government's efforts to help the poor. Adding a bit of salt complements the sweetness of the caramel. So, to recap, complement means to complete or enhance something, making it better or perfect. We explored synonyms like supplement, enhance, augment, and considered perfect, and antonyms like detract, clash, contradict, and undermine. We also looked at everyday examples of how to use complement in various contexts, from food pairings to personality traits and teamwork. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word complement useful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and improve their English vocabulary. Now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word complement and share it as a comment under this episode. I'm eager to see how you use this word in your own unique way. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.